up, YouTube? Hey, peep the nose ring. Peep the nose ring. Hey, big ass nose, little ass nose ring. Don't worry about it though. Shit, we finna go up in here. Got the bottle. Finna sneeze on people. The usual. I ain't gonna lie, these more. They kind of deep up in here. They got the workers deep up in here. Here's card. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna try my best to get kicked out. Damn, my bad, bro. Bro, that nigga was mad. That boy got mad.
Yeah, I know.
Damn, but he didn't get no reaction, bro. These niggas lame. Damn, my bad, bro. My bad, man. You alright?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm telling you, Mexicans really be too cool, bro. You can't piss them off, bro.
Yeah,
This man, he ain't even give me a reaction. My mama, she did. Alright, turn around. We're gonna get her ass right there. Damn.
Fucking serious?
I'm so sorry. I just came from the doctor. They said I got COVID.
Your mouth when you sneeze. That's just gross.
My bad. Damn. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, you okay?
I didn't even mean to. But look at angry people at. I'm looking for somebody who ready to like flip tables over and show that anger. Damn.
No, not only that, I want to press charges. I'm not doing this.
Press charges. Go, 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 go. They mad. They mad. GG's. I mean, I guess you say that went well. Sorta. We got the reactions. But, yeah.
You can stop recording me.
He don't speak English. No, he don't. He my, this is my foreign exchange student right here. GG's. Hey, man. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. They out here getting mad. Oh, here go the officer right here. Let's go talk to him. How you doing?
They're videotaping. He's got water in it, walking around, acting like he's sneezing.
All right, well, we can both leave.
Okay. The bottle's brand new.
I told you wait right there.
Oh, I thought you was telling me. My bad.
You're good. I just want to make sure you knew what I was saying.
Oh, my bad. I didn't even hear you.
I can't hear 3 people at once, man.
Huh?
I can't hear 3 people at once.
Oh,
They're talking.
all right. How y'all doing? They got angry as hell. They got angry. That's what I'm saying. Stay angry. They can't take a joke. GG's. That big ass boy look like he felt ready to drop some shit. Hold on.
You gonna drop your ass.
Ooh. I turned to Usain Bolt. Look at that nigga. He mad as hell.
Yeah, my man, you mind turning off the camera?
He deaf.
Can you communicate to him?
I don't know how to speak sign language.
Are you guys not?
Oh, now? No, now. See, a while ago we didn't speak English. Now we can't hear.
Oh, it's both.
It's fine.
Oh my God.
Came toward me and thought it was so funny.
Yeah.
So we're going to find out how funny it is now.
Yes, ma'am.
You need to leave.
No, he with me. He with me. He with me. He with
I don't
me.
care.
Oh, well, I can't leave without him.
He will not be recording.
Alrighty.
This isn't.
And
This
just
is
record
private
me
property.
then. There you go.
The recording's not allowed.
All right, can we go outside and record?
No, this is private property. Now you can go on public property and record all you want.
Outside.
No, the parking lot's private property as well.
All right, we can go outside the parking lot and
You
talk
can
and
go
record.
Public property, you're gonna record all you like.
All right. Can we go to public property?
And talk with me? No.
Oh, okay. Then he got to keep recording. He said he want to press charges over water. Can you press charges over water? Huh? You can't, can you? I don't know.
Later.
Hello, YouTube. So we're back.
Yep.
We just got banned from Walmart for 3 years. Yeah, don't put that in there.
Yeah. Oh, my bad.
It was worth it.
Yeah, that's that cop that just had to come in over some water. We gotta get his car.
But anyway, GG's, y'all. And we out. See you back in the next video.